Okay, now don't press any. Don't press any button. Come on. Gotta eat.
Pick it up with your fingers.
Fine.
Just a little bit. There you go.
You always want more, don't you? That was
Get a
good.
little bit of.
He liked that.
Yeah.
I hate this, but I'm feeding.
You gotta do it.
Oh, he pooped.
Huh, how about that?
Okay, here, little guy. Start eating.
Here, here's a piece.
Oh, he must be full or something.
Maybe he might be having a hard time digesting that piece.
I gave him a small smushed up thing. Can we get a blanket for him? Small rag or something? It's okay. His blood is dried up a bit. I'm gonna go grab a rag or something. Well, can you go grab one? I'll sit right here.
Looks like he's getting ready to eat again. Yeah, give yourself another little piece just in case. I'll see if I can find something for you. I'll be right back.
Grandpa, hurry up because I just heard an eagle.
An eagle?
Yep. Okay. It's okay, little buddy. It's okay. You probably shouldn't have tried to fly like your other sisters, brothers and sisters. Because you're too young. They're older than you. Man, can these flies get away from me? It's been out here for hours. I had to lock my cat up so she wouldn't kill this guy. He's a lot smaller in person than he looks on camera. Yeah, that's what he really looks like. Hopefully my grandpa can get back here before this guy dies. Want any more food? Can smell it? They're having a hard time. You ready for some more? Ready for some more, little guy? Ready for some more? No? Okay. I'll give you some time.
Here, let me try this. There's a rag for him.
Think he's thirsty?
Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this up a little bit with, I'm going to smush this worm up a little bit more.
But doesn't he need
And then
like
put water in it with it.
a mixture? What type of mixture does this bird need?
I'm going to smush it up a little bit.
Okay.
Put some water in with it.
Okay, get off there.
Okay.
It's okay. Oh, he's hungry.
Oops.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Now, how are we gonna get him his milk that he needs? We need a mixture for sure.
Okay, let's do this. All right. Run a couple of toothpicks. Here.
Wait, you got toothpicks?
Yep, you can stab that with a toothpick.
But wouldn't that kill him or something? Okay, now you hold this. I'll feed it to him. Now, don't press any buttons. I don't want you to accidentally.
Careful with it. Careful. Oh, you dropped it.
Where'd that go? There it is.
Here you go. Oops. There you go.
Hey, little guy. Open your mouth. Open mouth. Open mouth. Come on. Hey, little guy. Hey, little guy. Open your mouth. Open wide. He's probably tired. They don't eat much worms. Come on, stay alive. He's looking tired.
There you go. There you go. And his mouth is open.
Ah,
Drop that in there. Here, scrape it right off there. There. You get a big dose of it that time.
okay. Well, let's go. Where should we put this guy?
Well, let's get another piece of worm in him. We got another piece here yet. Is this all we got left?
Yeah.
What happened to it all?
He's gotta stay warm. I'm gonna let him sleep.
Here.
He's good for now. He's not
You
hungry.
sure?
No, we can feed him some later. Where do we put this guy? I don't want him to die.
Put him in your she shed. That's warm in there.
I want to put him somewhere.
Well,
Oh, I got an idea.
Huh.
Remember those little bug containers that we got?
yeah.
Put him in one of those.
There you go. Good idea.
You can follow me.
All right. Hang on. I gotta get my. All right. Now they're inside. Remember, Paisley's in there. Well, as long as you have her in that container, she'll be okay. Oh, you know what else you could do? You could put her right on top of that chicken cage there. Because that'll be warm. Because they got that red light. You know what I mean? Okay. There you go. There you go. All right.
Be safe in there.
You're gonna put her. Where are you gonna put her?
I'm gonna show Grandma.
Okay. Where's Grandma at?
But how are we gonna make sure he gets the mix?
Huh?
For drinks?
Well, what they do?
Search it up on Google.
Oh, they have this stuff here. That's what they get their moisture from
Why?
the slimy worm.
Oh, that makes sense.
Where's Grandma at?
She's in the house.
Is she? You gonna bring it back out, right? Okay.
as he's eating, he'll live.
Yeah.
We put him in a nice warm blanket.
Yeah, we give him got 2 chunks of worm in him, slimy worm in him right now. And he pooped right after the first one.
That's a good sign. Yeah, he's so much littler than the other ones.
Yeah.
Well, let's go put this guy in a place to sleep.
Okay, where do you want to put him?
Somewhere nice and cozy. Your Poppy will be cozy.
Yeah, it would be. Put it way over on the other side over there.
Like right here.
Yup.
Think that'll work
Yep.
out well?
Yeah, that'll be fine. Here, we'll keep this food here too. I get that little chunk of worm. Here, we get that little chunk of worm.
We can feed him that
Yeah.
later.
Yeah, later on.
Okay, now this is the end of the video. I'm gonna see how often these guys have to eat.